Hi, I'm Ilona,
Hi, and I'm Stephen.
and welcome to Stephen and Ilona's Adventures. This is the Jade River experience at Sandos Caracol Eco Resort. This is one of the free excursions the hotel does. You just have to sign up for it at the activity center. We went in a group about 6 people. Life jackets are compulsory. They do have snorkeling gears to hand out, but I would suggest you use your own as it's just more comfortable. The river is quite deep in places, but amazingly clear. You can see all the roots of the trees, all the little fishes, and of course the turtles. As you can see, there are some stone Mayan faces around the river, but we only managed to find one.
At the furthest point of the river swim you're allowed to go is a large section, and this is where you get to see all the turtles and lots of little fishes, and you get to hang around here for about 5 minutes or so, maybe 10. And after this you get to swim all the way back, but it's a slightly different route. As you can see, we saw quite a few turtles in this section of the river swim. Also with this shot here, you can see it's really nice with the sun coming down. It just makes it look a really attractive place. I didn't personally want to do the swim, but my girlfriend did, so obviously we did it. But I was really impressed. It was a really enjoyable activity. I would recommend it to anyone.
There's a guide who comes with you, explains about the nature of the river. He told us the moss on the turtles is normal, and he explained that you shouldn't touch the turtles. Also, please don't wear sunscreen or deodorant or any kind of chemicals before the swim, as this can damage not only the animals but the plants as well. We learned so much about the damage that everyday sun lotion can cause in the sea, to the sea life and to the corals, as well in the river, to the fishes and the turtles. I recommend to do a bit of research before you buy your sun lotion, and try to buy something called reef safe or some more environmental friendly.
Further up the river is used by another activity called the romantic boat ride. We'll be doing a video on that.
watching and hope you enjoyed it. Goodbye for now.
Goodbye.